How's it going, everybody? We are going to have an experience here. We're going to play around. We have one in my hand. 3 homemade bombs. 2 of them we made, and 1 of them was professionally made. So we're going to see what they do inside this here car. Now, this car runs and drives, but I don't know. We're just gonna light them and go. See what happens. I'll put 2 of them here in the trunk. I think we ought to go ahead and light this one here. What do you think?
Yeah.
So. Oh man. I'll put it right there in the cup holder. See if I can do this. Okay, it's lit.
I would move back. We don't know if that was shot at the windows.
Holy smokes! Oh my gosh! That thing blew the windshield out. Oh my gosh! That blew the other fireworks off the car.
Oh, we got fighting.
Dude, that was insane. Did you see that?
Yeah, you probably gave that bunny a hard
Hey, there was change in the center console. What's left of one? That was freaking cool. Holy smokes.
I think we might want to move back just a little bit further.
That was insane.
I'm surprised this window didn't blow out.
I can't believe it took the windshield out. Holy moly. Dude, it peppered it all across. That's insane. I mean, I knew it was going to do some damage, but wow, that's awesome. Here, hold that one. I'm going to set this one. Look at all the change. Look at all the change in between the seats. I'm going to set this one right here. I don't know if these will even work, but I'm going to light this one and you slam the door when I tell you to. Shut it, shut it, shut it. I don't know if that's going to do anything.
Oh,
It blew up.
it did nothing.
It blew up. It just. Oh.
Why is it still sparking?
That didn't work like I hoped. Oh no. Alright, well that sucked. Let's try the other one.
You got 3?
Got one more.
You ready?
Yep.
Shut it! Ah, that sucked. Oh well. Still burning a hole in the seat. Ah! It's. Well, that first one was really cool. So, I guess we'll let the car air out. It's coming out of the trunk. Smoke's coming out of the trunk. That's insane. We'll let the car air out a little bit, make sure there's no fire, and that was pretty cool. Can't believe it blew the center console out. I'll let it air out and I'll come back. Okay, the car's had some time to air out a little bit. Still smoking a little bit, but all this down here is part of the center console. There's another dime right here. You can see. Found a whole bunch of change in this thing. That's what's left of the center console. Shifter, blew the keys right out of the ignition and the console. This is the dash view. This had a good windshield in it. There's the seat, console, everything behind. Strapple, it just blew pieces. It blew the hole in the seat there. And right here, just obliterated the driver's seat. That was wicked cool. Oh, there's pieces up on the back dash.
Yeah.
That's insane. Well, dang it. I wish ours would have went boom like that. I wish it would have, but yeah, oh well.
We have to watch videos to see how to do it.
We'll have to figure out how to make some better bombs. And that was probably the coolest one I have yet. Alright. I'm going to end it here. Y'all like, share, comment, and y'all have a great day, and God bless you. Happy 4th of July.